This video is about azalea flowers are favorite among gardeners and natural lovers in Japan. In late April in Tokyo, the cherry blossoms have more or less ended, but some others flowers start to bloom. Azaleas can also be very beautiful. In central Tokyo, the best place is Nizu Shrine, just near Yanaka. Azalea flowers in Japan are known for their vibrant colors and delicate beauty. They are a popular sight during the spring season, particularly in parks, gardens, and along the countryside. Azaleas come in various shades of pink, red, purple, and white, creating a stunning display of colors when in full bloom. These flowers are often associated with traditional Japanese aesthetics and are celebrated in various cultural events and festivals. The sight of azalea flowers in Japan is truly a breathtaking experience that captures the essence of the country's natural beauty. The best thing with azaleas is the various colors, especially here where the shrubs are small, so you can see a lot of them in one look. This makes the place even better than Villa Colata, which is one of the best places for azaleas in Europe. In Japanese culture, the azalea is highly prized for its beauty and symbolism, and it is often associated with passion, femininity, and fragility. Western azalea meanings vary: elegance, resilience, and repelling negativity. Colors symbolize emotions: white for purity, pink for romance, red for passion, bright light, acidic soil, and pruning key for spectacular blooms. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel for more content. Thank you.